Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and we have just completed customizing this brand new 2022 Model X refresh. While it looks very similar to the previous Model X, the whole front fascia is all new, as well as the rear bumper, of course the interior, the yoke steering wheel, and the much larger, newer screen. But focusing on what we did on the exterior, this car came to us in Midnight Silver Metallic. Beautiful color, very popular. But this customer wanted to accomplish two things. One, protect the paint the best way possible. And two, go ahead and do a color change. And the Xpel Paint Protection film, also known as PPF, is the best in the industry. And their Stealth series gave our client exactly what he wanted. The ultimate in paint protection, and the Stealth line takes this Midnight Silver Metallic color and makes it satin. How cool does this look? I absolutely love it. I'm not really a fan of Midnight Silver Metallic, but once you apply this film to it, that's a game changer. So we left all the exterior trims that are black as is on the car. That's a really good look, but we had to change the wheels. The stock 22-inch wheels that came with this, they're pretty cool, but nothing is as cool as our MX117 one-piece forged wheels. These wheels are much stronger than the ones that came from Tesla. They're lighter, and that reduction in unsprung weight will help you with range and performance. Furthermore, our one-piece forged wheels in the 22-inch size are designed to specifically fit your Model X using the factory Tesla recommended, or in some cases included, 22-inch tire. It's a perfect fit, and that's the only way we make wheels at T Sportline. That's all I got for you today, fans. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. So many more amazing Tesla videos coming your way soon.